Hi everyone, my name is Christy and thank you for watching this video on how to curl your hair with a wand. Today I'm coming at you from my sister's bedroom. She went back to college, so I took over her bedroom as kind of a YouTube filming room. And today I'm going to show you my hair curling routine that I do so often. This is how I normally will wear my hair on a day-to-day basis. I love this look because it's so easy and manageable once I am done curling it. All I have to do is just maybe comb it out on the days, like the few days afterwards that I am going to continue to wear the curls before I wash my hair again. And as the days go on, the curls look better and better because they'll loosen up a bit. So the tools that I am going to be using are a Chi straightener and a Conair wand. Both of these products I've had for years and I still love them. They still work good as new. They are definitely dependable tools to buy. So if you want to see how I curl my hair, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on some heat protection gel. Today I'm using the thermal serum from Rusk. I just put like a dime size amount in my hands and then I'll just smooth it over mostly the ends because it's a serum and I don't want my hair to look too greasy on top, and the ends is where it gets the most dry. So this will help protect the hair from the heat of the curling iron and the straightener. The next product that I like to use when I'm styling my hair with heat is Sun-In. So I don't dye my hair, but I definitely have achieved a lighter color by using lots of Sun-In or the John Frieda Sheer Blonde Go Blonder shampoo, conditioner, and spray. So I just like to use the opportunity to try and lighten my hair whenever I'm going to be putting heat on it. And I seriously just spray this all over. I'm not particular with it at all. And I also just forgot to say that I washed my hair last night and then I just slept on it so that it dried. I didn't have to blow dry it to get it dry. I like letting it air dry because my hair becomes less poofy and a little bit less frizzy if I don't blow dry it. So it's good for me to wash it the night before I'm going to be styling it so then I can skip that step of having to blow dry it. So I have parted my hair at my side part and then I'll take one half and I'll just wrap it in a scrunchie. And I'm going to start on the left side, and I start at the bottom, and I take, this is probably like a 1 to 2 inch section, and then I clip the top part up, and this is how I do it. I straighten the top of the section, go over it a bunch of times very quickly like that, and then I'll split it up into about 1 inch sections, and I take the wand and just wrap it around starting about, oops, lost my section, starting about 3/4 of the way up the piece of hair, basically to where I stopped straightening, and then I don't even have to hold it on for very long. And that's it. I only have it set to 330 degrees, but the medium setting, and you saw how quickly I left it on the wand. Next section. And I do continue to wrap the hair in the same direction, and I don't alternate piece by piece whether I am going away or towards the face with the way that the curl is going. So moving on to the next section, I just take like a thin layer because I can straighten the tops all at once and then I split it up into sections once I'm going to curl it. And I don't even worry about how far I go down. I'll leave, this is about 2 inches, so that I don't have to worry about my finger getting burned. So yeah, it's about 5 seconds that I leave each piece on the wand, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my head. Okay, so the first half is done. I probably split that up into like 6 sections, and I just love doing the before, after. Okay, so now all of the curling is done. I personally don't even use hairspray or anything. So thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm very new to YouTube, so please let me know if there's anything you'd like to see in future videos, any questions you have for me, any suggestions. Thank you again for watching.